Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Kabo here, and today we're just gonna be going down to the beach, just doing a normal day vlog. Normal. All right, let's go. Yap, the beautiful islands of Yap, with a lot of beautiful beaches, and now I'm on a stranded island. Yeah, you won't really see here, but here, let me show you. For tuning in, thank you guys again for 50 subscribers. It means a lot, and I have something to say. I won't be really posting videos daily now. I'll just be posting once a month or once every 2 weeks. So yeah, because I'm a bit busy. So for the vlog, if you enjoyed this vlog, make sure you give it a like, click that subscribe button, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content will be out. And if you want to see me play live, you can go check my channel out on live stream gamer. Oh yeah, I just have a channel, you can go check it out. It's called Fearless King K01. Let's go. Mention that this video is sponsored by Patreon. Now Patreon is the site that will help video creators like me and you, if you're a video creator, with basically anything you need. Yeah, so go check them out at Patreon.